Unraveling the Mystery. What does out cold really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a really interesting phrase to explore. Out cold. This is a phrase you might hear in movies, TV shows, or in casual conversation. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the meaning of out cold, but also how to use it in different contexts. Out cold is an idiomatic expression in English, and it is commonly used to describe someone who is unconscious or in a very deep sleep. This phrase paints a picture of someone being so deeply asleep or knocked out that they are completely unaware of their surroundings. Example 1. Imagine someone has had a very long, exhausting day at work. They come home, collapse onto their bed, and immediately fall asleep. You might say, he was out cold the moment his head hit the pillow. Example 2. In a different scenario, maybe someone is watching a boxing match. One of the boxers gets hit really hard and falls to the ground, unconscious. A commentator might say, "Wow, that punch knocked him out cold." Now that we know what out cold means, let's talk about how to use it in different contexts. In formal settings, out cold is quite informal, and it's perfect for casual conversations with friends or family. For example, if your friend fell asleep during a movie, you could joke, "Look at him, he's out cold." Formal settings. In formal settings or in writing, it might be better to use more direct language to describe someone being unconscious or in a deep sleep. However, depending on the context and your relationship with the audience, using out cold could add a touch of personality to your speech or writing. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, out cold. We hope this video has shed some light on what this phrase means and how you can use it in different settings. Remember, understanding idioms and expressions is a key part of mastering English, and you're doing great by taking the time to learn them. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you in the next video.